Simplifying closures. One of the things that new developers have trouble with are closures written by experienced Swift programmers who employ a very concise way of writing them. Consider the code in the example below, shown in the code snippet below. All right. So we're going to declare our variable numbers 2, 4, 6, 7, and then declare mapped numbers is equal to map numbers.map number colon int in let result equal number times number, return result. Okay, and then we're going to print the mapped number. Sure enough, it works. Okay. Here you have an array of numbers, and you use the map function to map a closure to each element of the array in turn. The code in the closure implies the number by itself, generating the square of that number. The result is then printed to the debug area. As you will see, you can write the closure code much more simply. When a closure's type is already known, you can remove the parameter type, return type, or both. Single statement closures implicitly return the value of their only statement, which means you can remove the return statement as well. So you can write the closure as follows. Variable mapped numbers, in this case I'm going to use 2 so it does not interfere with the previous one, is equal to numbers.map number in number times number print mapped numbers 2. Let's run our code. Wrong, please. Run. And there you go. We have our results. When a closure is the only argument to a function, you can omit the parentheses enclosing the closure. Let's check out this code right here. Variable mapped numbers 3 is equal to it's equal to numbers.map number in number times number print mapped numbers 3. A small slight difference between these two codes. So let's run it, and there you go. We get the correct result. Okay. You can refer to the parameters by number instead of by name, as shown in this following code. So let's see. Variable mapped numbers 4 is equal to numbers.map $0 times $0 print mapped numbers 4. Once again, let's copy our code and run it. Sure enough, it works. So the closure here is very concise indeed, but will be challenging for new developers to understand. Feel free to write closures in any way you are comfortable with.